Pricing is such a issue which day to day we are watching everywhere, but we don't know the exact name of the pricing strategies. My chapters I just segregate into two portions. One is external pricing and second is internal pricing. External pricing, friends, that is nothing but different pricing strategy what day to day we are watching in our life. You say, sir, what is that? One by one I explain to you, please focus. The first pricing, that is differentiation pricing, that is nothing but we charge different price to our different customers. You say, sir, how it can be possible? If you charge different price to different customers, they meet to each other and they create the grievance to you. It is very correct, but I tell you friends, if to wholesaler I am charging different price, to retailer I am charging different price, that can be run, because both the place the purchase would be in bulk or what friends, retail, that makes the difference in the nature of purchase, and that's why different pricing can be possible. Same way I can tell you, if you go to hill station in peak period or season friends, then your charges of the hotel rent or tariff would be very high, but if you go to the off season in the hill station, then your tariff would be what, very low, or sometime it is half of the normal. So what that indicate that they are charging what friend, different prices for different time. Reason is very clear, if you are charging same tariff in the off seasons, then you can't get any customer. To get friends smooth occupancy throughout the year, hotel required to charge different pricing for different period. Even if you go to UK etc. friends, where public transportations you see in friends, there 9 to 11 if you travel in the public transportation, then friend their charges and tariff would be high, and friends after 11 if you are traveling, then tariff would be reduced. What this indicate friends, they want to just reduce the rush in peak hours, and that's why peak hours charges they are keeping high, and off peak period friends they are keeping pricing would be low. So automatically friends, those not having hurry to reach office, they relax at home and they just start traveling after 11 o'clock. Okay, so this is nothing but a price differentiation. Number two, that is friends, premium pricing, means we charge extra premium for our product. You suggest, sir, if you charge extra premium to your product, then no customer is coming to you. No friend, this is not the scenario. If you have a brand name, if you incur huge expenses in the advertisements, and because of that your product is well established in the market, then people feel proud to use your product and your brand, and for that they are ready to pay premium. And it is very obvious, if one's company incur so much large expenses part for advertisements, then it obviously recovered from the premium which is charged to the product. But I tell you other side, for customer also it is a matter of loyalty friends, they are using the brand product, because I just tell you many brand product if you take for example, then it is very costly in compared to normal product. Just take the example of shirt friend, one Van Heusen shirts, or you can say Louis Phillips shirts friends, that 2000 rupees shirts coming up, and they are giving 40% 50% discount, and then after with friends joy you are purchasing for 1000 rupees that shirt, the original cost of that shirt is only 150 rupees. So that indicate friends, because brand name attached over there, you are ready to pay extra price, and after getting 50% discount friends, still you are ready to pay 1000 rupees. So what this tendency indicate, people want to use brand product, and for that they are ready to pay premium also. Okay. The next part, that regarding friends penetration pricing. Penetration pricing is nothing but initially we are charging lower price, and then after gradually friends the prices would be increased. You say, sir, why we do this way? So we seen friends in many consumable product, initially you are charging lower price, and at least you try to cover market share, and once people use that assets or that particular product, then they get familiar with that particular product, and after that gradually we are increasing the price, and even price would increase, customer feel no quality level in this product quality level in this product would be still at par with the price what increase, and that's why they are still continues with the product. For example, if I tell you friends any that is fast moving consumable product coming up just like toothpaste etc in the market friends, there is new toothpaste introduced in the market. So initially friends, very lower price offer would be coming up in the market. Once everybody purchase that toothpaste and their friends enjoy that things, then after they feel no this is quite good product. After that, even though price increase, I seen many time customer remains continues with that product. So that is nothing but penetration pricing, where initially we charge lower cost and after that gradually we are increasing the price and maintaining the same quality level what initially we are offering to the customer, and because of that friends we can get good market share. Yes, here friends I want to just focus on that example also. Okay, many time you open the newspaper in the morning and there friends some product would be stick to the newspaper only free of cost, okay, use once. That is nothing but penetration pricing start from zero price and gradually friends that product would be introduced in the market. So this is good example for penetration pricing. Next pricing, that is scheming pricing. What is that scheming pricing? So I tell you, initially you charge high price and then after gradually price would be reduced. So sir, we not understood what is this. Yes, generally we not seen this item in the India, that's why for you it is something new. But scheming pricing is nothing but initially we charge the price high and then after gradually we are reducing the price to cover next segment of the market. I give you one example. When any foreign novels introduce of well known authors friends in the foreign countries, so they come up with the only limited editions and friends very costly books. So only friends high society peoples can purchase that novels, and they purchase that novel and they read that particular novels. After that they call to each others, okay, I read that novel, I read that novels. After that what happens, market is over. So next edition would be coming up after some times with some lower price segment. So their friends another segment of the foreign countries would be purchase that novels, and then after they call to each others, okay, I already read that novels. After that what now friends, foreign market is over, so they watching to India, yes in India friends market is still available. So they come to India with another friends editions with lower price version, and friends they cover here first segment, then after second segments. So this indicate friends scheming pricing, where initially we are charged the high price and then after gradually we are reducing the price to cover next level of market segments. Understood these things? Okay, next part. That regarding friends loss leader pricing. You say sir, what is this loss leader pricing? Yes, name itself indicate कि leaders makes the loss and extras makes the profits. You say sir, we not understood what is that. I give you simple example. If you purchase friends HP's printer, so under HP's printer it is very clear कि initial pricing of the HP printer is very low, so you feel international quality of printer I am getting with very lower cost part. Once you purchase the HP printers friends, you enjoy that things, but when refilling of friends cartridge etc required at the time, HP company charge a very high price. So whatever loss they incur in the printer, that would be covered from what friend, cartridge. Same way I give you example, okay, Zenith laser coming up for saving friends, 100 rupees razors available in the market. So you feel sir international quality of razor available for 100 rupees only, so you purchase one blade also available with that, you enjoy for 1 month saving friends. But after that when you try to replace the blade available for 80 rupees, then after you realize okay, whatever loss they create in what friend, razor, now they cover in the blade. You try to set other blade also, but that would be not possible. So what this indicate, okay, leaders make the loss and extra makes the profits. Ultimately they try to achieve their profit parts. So this is nothing but loss leader policy.